Imagine having a device that combines the power of a laptop, the convenience of a tablet, and the sleekness of Apple's design all in one. That's exactly what the Apple iPad 12th generation brings to the table. This is not just a tablet. This is a revolution in how you can work, play, and create. And when you hold it in your hands, you'll instantly understand that it's more than just another gadget. It's an experience. Let's start with the display. The 12th generation iPad is equipped with a stunning liquid retina display that will leave you in awe. Every image, every video, every detail pops with vibrant colors and sharp clarity. Welcome to my channel Tech Launch. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the new tech updates. Whether you're watching your favorite movies, editing photos, or simply browsing, the screen feels like it's alive. The colors are rich, the blacks are deep, and the whites are brilliant. It's like looking at reality through a new lens. And with its True Tone technology, the display adapts to your surroundings, ensuring that what you see is always perfect, no matter the lighting conditions. But it's not just the screen that's jaw-dropping. The performance of the iPad 12th generation is nothing short of extraordinary. Powered by the A14 Bionic chip, this tablet doesn't just handle the basics. It handles everything. From graphic-intensive gaming to video editing, the iPad 12th generation performs flawlessly, without any lag or stutter. It's fast, it's smooth, and it's powerful. Whether you're using multiple apps at once or working on demanding creative projects, this iPad can keep up with you every step of the way. And if you thought the performance was impressive, wait until you experience the Apple Pencil integration. The Apple iPad 12th generation takes digital drawing, note-taking, and creativity to a whole new level. With the Apple Pencil, you can sketch, annotate, and create with precision and fluidity that mimics the feel of using real paper and pen. The responsiveness is so natural, you'll forget you're using a screen. It's an experience that's perfect for professionals, students, or anyone who enjoys expressing themselves through art or design. Let's talk about productivity. The iPad 12th generation is not just a media consumption device. It's a powerhouse for getting things done. Whether you're typing out a report, working on a presentation, or even editing a video, the iPad allows you to do it all. Pair it with the Magic Keyboard, and you've got yourself a complete workstation. The keyboard is incredibly responsive, and with the trackpad, navigating becomes seamless. And with iPadOS, multitasking has never been easier. You can have multiple apps open at the same time, drag and drop content between them, and stay productive without ever feeling constrained. The camera on the iPad 12th generation is also a standout feature. Whether you're taking photos for work or capturing your next adventure, the 12MP rear camera captures stunning images with incredible detail. And the 12MP front camera is perfect for those video calls. It provides sharp, clear video quality, making you look your best during every meeting or virtual hangout. And with features like Center Stage, the camera intelligently adjusts to keep you in frame, no matter where you move. It's like having your own personal cameraman. Now, let's talk about battery life, something we all want in a device that we rely on day in and day out. The iPad 12th generation offers an impressive 10-hour battery life, meaning you can go from morning to night without worrying about recharging. Whether you're working, watching movies, or playing games, the iPad will last all day without breaking a sweat. And when you do need to